Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, on your request, I want to show you how I make bouillon meafoon or chicken noodle soup. We're gonna need some shrimp. I have washed them, clean, deveined, chicken breast cut into strips, black pepper, salt, chili powder, dark soya sauce, chicken stock, rice noodle, some bok-choy, some carrots cut into big strips like this, and the bok-choy I have separated them, the stem and the leaf, some mushroom, fresh mushroom sliced, one small onion diced, 3 cloves of garlic, some freshly chopped green onion. Now I have separated them as well, the top one, the stem and the green part into 2 different places. And now we're gonna need crushed garlic. Now you always ask me, how do I crush garlic? Like, do I chop them? Some dishes, if you don't add paste, garlic paste, it's better. Like this dish, I will suggest to use crushed garlic. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use a garlic presser, and then just put your garlic inside and then just press them. You're gonna do one at a time, and then this is how you're gonna get the crushed garlic, just like that. Okay, so this is how your crushed garlic should be. So that is done. And what I'm gonna do here, my shrimp, I'm just gonna add my salt and pepper. Just give it a mix. Now, if you wanna add a little bit of chili powder to your shrimp, you can do that. Okay, and now chicken, I'm gonna do the same. Salt, pepper, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon full of chili powder. I want my chicken to be a little bit of a spiciness and also some color, which is gonna be looking so great, wonderful. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use the same spoon and then just mix that up. And then my oil is preheating. I'm using a 1 big pot, and I'm gonna do everything into 1 pot. It's gonna save you to do dishes, and also all the flavor will be in 1 pot as well. So just keep that in mind. Just mix the chicken well. Oil is hot enough. I'm gonna start by frying the shrimp. Shrimp will cook very fast, so that will take about, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes. And this is about 1 pound or 500 grams of shrimp. If you can add more if you want to, and that may take a little bit more time. So let that cook. Okay, the shrimp is ready, and now remove them onto a plate. Now use a clean plate. Do not use the same bowl that we had the raw shrimp. Just remove this onto a plate. Okay, to the same oil, I'm gonna cook the chicken now. And the heat is on medium high. It's between medium and high. You don't want to cook chicken breast on low heat, so the chicken will reduce so much, it will remove so much water, and it's gonna be rubbery. You don't want that. You want your chicken breast to be tender. So let that cook. Now my chicken is cooking. It's been 3 minutes. Now add the dark soya sauce. Now I like to use dark soya sauce instead of the light one, because the dark one you don't have to add too much to get the color, the brownish color, and the light one you have to add like a lot, really a lot, and it's really salty as well. So I prefer the dark soya sauce. Now I'm gonna give this another 3 minutes. So in total that would take 6 minutes just to cook. So 3 more minutes and then we're gonna remove this. And now it's time to remove the chicken, and I'm gonna set them on the same plate that I have my shrimp. And now I'm using the same pot again, like I said earlier, same pot, everything with more flavor. Add the crushed garlic and the diced onion. Now if you think that you need a little bit more oil, you can definitely add a little bit of more oil at this point. That is not an issue. And then we're gonna cook this onion until translucent, about 1 minute, a minute and a half. We're not gonna make this golden brown. This color is from the soya sauce. All we need to see is translucent. Okay, now I'm gonna add my carrots. And I'm gonna add the bok choy, only the stem part. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and black pepper, just a little. And now we're gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. This is looking great. This is looking beautiful. Now I'm gonna add my mushroom. Now I like to use fresh mushroom. I really don't like canned stuff too much, like canned vegetables, things like that. I prefer to use my fresh and chop them on your own. Now give this about 1 minute. And now I'm gonna add the rest of my bok choy. Mix, mix, mix. Add your chicken stock or chicken broth. You can always add vegetable broth if you want to. At this point, you're gonna turn your heat on high, and then the green onions that I have chopped, only the white part, the top part, I'm gonna add that now. I want this soup, this bouillon Meafoon, to have a little bit of flavor from all this veggie, as well as we have cooked the chicken and the shrimp with the same oil, the same pot, and that looks good too, and it will taste better. And now you also want to add your rice noodle. Okay, it's been like 4 minutes since I add the noodle. At this point, you can taste your soup. If you need more salt, you can add it now. And I already taste mine, and I think I need more salt. And now you're gonna add the cooked chicken and the cooked shrimp, along with all the juice that is here. This is all flavor. We're gonna add all of this flavor, all of this to the pot. And then give this a good mix. And now this is not gonna take too long to finish this off. Now I'm gonna just top up some green onion. I'm gonna save some for garnishing for later. And now you're gonna turn your heat off, and this is ready to serve. Okay guys, my Meafoon, my bouillon Meafoon, my chicken noodle soup is ready. It's really hot. Let's just top it with some green onion. For 450 grams of rice noodle, I have used 2.5 liters of chicken broth or chicken stock. They're the same. Like I said, you can switch to vegetable stock or vegetable broth, but if you want to use chicken stock or chicken broth, it's even better. I just want to show you the consistency. This is how it will be, and I think this is perfect for me. The amount of watery and the amount of noodles. Hope you enjoy this video with me, guys. My voice is not too good. I was being so sick for like 3 weeks with some flu, some runny nose, allergy, the changing weather in here in Canada. But I'm feeling better now. Get the full written recipe down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.